In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Google Flow account. We'll walk through the exact path inside your Google settings so you can remove your account safely and confidently. Before we begin, remember that deleting a Google account is permanent and removes access to services tied to that account, like Gmail, Drive, Photos, YouTube, and any purchases linked to it. If you need anything from the account, consider backing it up first. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Google account. You're looking for the official Google result that takes you to your account management page. Click the correct link so you land on the page where Google lets you manage privacy, security, and data settings for your account. Once you're there, make sure you're signed in to the exact account you want to delete. If you're not signed in, the page will prompt you to do so. Be careful not to create a new account by mistake. You need to sign in to the existing one you intend to remove. If you use multiple accounts, double-check the profile, avatar, or email in the top right corner to confirm you're on the right one. After you're signed in, look for the Data and Privacy section. This is where Google groups all of the controls related to how your information is handled. Click Data and Privacy to open those settings. Scroll down the page until you find the More Options area. It's usually below the main data controls and personalization sections. In this area, you'll see the option labeled Delete Your Google Account. Click that to proceed. Google will likely ask you to verify your identity again, which may include entering your password or completing two-step verification. This is normal and designed to prevent accidental or unauthorized deletions. You'll now see a detailed page explaining what deleting your account means. Take your time here. Review which services and data will be removed. Note any subscriptions or purchases connected to the account, and check for options to download your data if needed. Make sure you understand the consequences, especially if this account is used for important logins or recovery. When you're certain you want to continue, scroll to the bottom of the page. You'll find confirmation checkboxes acknowledging that you understand the deletion is permanent and that you're responsible for any charges or consequences. Tick those boxes to confirm. Finally, click Delete Account. Google will process the request and the account will be removed. If you run into prompts about unresolved issues, follow the on-screen guidance. That's it. You've completed the deletion.